Hey guys, here you see OPPO K9Pro. This is a recent car. Yes, this is the OPPO K9Pro gift box from OPPO. Today let's see what's inside the box, and we will have a very quick and simple unboxing video of the gift box. The OPPO K9Pro is very cost-effective smartphone for OPPO, and it's very cool design. And this time they also provided a gift box for the racing car fans. Here, the King Racing Racer customized gift box. Today let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Here they have a very special design. You can open it like this, Yes. Here it should be the smartphone, but we already take it out because it's just the normal edition, not a customized edition. Here they provide a very large capacity power bank, I think. Whoa. Cannot see it. Wait. Okay. Open it. Okay, yeah. It's a OPPO 10,000 power bank. It supports quick charge, fast charge. It's 18 watts power bank. It's white color. Here we have a card. I think it's OPPO, and this is a racing game. Provide I think it's a gift card or kind of coins or token coins. You can use this to get a gift from the game. Yes, congratulations. You get the OPPO K9 Pro X King Racing car. Yes, you will open the game setting, put the gift card number, series number, and then you get the car. Yes, very cool. Here I think it's the another gift. It's the car. It's a puzzle. I think it's a puzzle. Yes, it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. You can use this to make a car. It's like Lego, just like Lego. OPPO. Okay, we can see what's inside the box. Yeah, we can see it. Whoa. Oh, yes, I'm right. So many. Over 100. This will take a lot of time to make this, to finish this. Yes, you can make them together, and then you get a car like this, I think. Yeah, it's very interesting and very simple gift box from OPPO K9Pro. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and let's waiting for more exciting and interesting gadgets from here. Thank you. Bye bye.